Good afternoon, students. So in this video, we are going to discuss about case study on the topic of corrosion. You know very well about corrosion. Corrosion is nothing but metal will get destroyed. The deterioration or degradation of metals as well as all the materials is called corrosion. In day-to-day life, we are seeing everywhere corrosion problem in the around our environment. So there are lots of types out there in on corrosion. So based on that, we are going to discuss about what are the types of corrosion. Each and every point you can comment about that. What are the points of that. So can anyone comment about uniform corrosion?
Yes, sir. It's across the surface, uniform corrosion across the surface, acts as a different.
Means it will corrode uniformly on the entire surface. That is called uniform corrosion. Okay. So another one corrosion is that is called pitting. What about pitting corrosion?
As pit forms in the metal surface.
Yes. Metal gets corroded and just like dump shapes on the surface of the metal, pits is used to form. That is also one of the most corrosion of the metals. Okay. So can anyone comment about crevice?
So corrosion happens between two metal surfaces or as crevice.
It means two metal in between the two metals. Corrosion, yeah, corrosion is happening. It means there won't be any proper air circulation. There's so difference in aeration. Okay, outside the metal surface, within the gap of the metal surface, there is a difference in aeration. So that's the reason why corrosion is happening at the gap position. Okay, that is called crevice. So can you comment any one corrosion on your own topic?
Intergranular corrosion.
Very good.
Intergranular corrosions are localized corrosion at the metal grain boundaries.
It means two different grain boundaries would be there. If there is two different grain boundaries, yes, there will be a corrosion happening due to the structural modification of two different metals. That is called what it called? Intergranular corrosion. This is one of the main topic on the corrosion topic. Okay. So what about you? Can you comment any one corrosion?
Galvanic corrosion.
Galvanic corrosion, one of the very interesting topic on the entire corrosion system, galvanic corrosion. So can you tell me what is that simply?
In galvanic corrosion, we combine two metals. One metal is act as anode, another one is act as cathode. The
Act as anode.
Another one is act as cathode. The cathode is prevent from corrosion and the anode is more corrode.
It means almost you can tell it is also a type of electrochemical reaction would be happening. Okay, in presence of electrolyte present in the atmosphere. That is called, so electron will flow from anode to cathode. Yes. So cathode is somehow protected compared to anode. Okay, that's the meaning. Yes, you are right. So that is called galvanic corrosion. Many area, if two different metals are connected, it means one metal less corrode, another metal more corrode. That is called galvanic corrosion. So another one corrosion is also there, that is called stress corrosion. It means suddenly some stress force happening on the weak surface on the metal. That is called stress corrosion. So these are some of the important corrosion. It is happening everywhere, especially on the metals. So finally, I am going to tell some small techniques how we can able to prepare corrosion. Protective layer, you know very well. Proper painting and anodic protection, cathodic protection. It means you will give some electrolysis process. So supplying of electrons from anode to cathode, as he told. These are some of the techniques that corrosion can be prevented, especially paint. Paint is also one of the best method. You will mix some anti-corrosion material and you are applying on the surface so that the lifetime of the material will get improved comparatively. Some of the chemicals they will use that additive pigments in presence of solvent, they will mix and they will coat equally. They will coat equally so that the layer is getting safer. That is a main use of paint. You know very well about paint coating. So these are some of the methods that we can able to stop the corrosion. Okay, so I think you understand the topics, right? You understand this, what we discussed very simply. You can also just review some articles in the internet. Okay, so thank you so much for your kind